What if I told you that aloe vera, the miracle plant, can actually grow better in winter if you follow just a few smart tricks? Yes, winter aloe vera farming is not only possible, it can be highly profitable too. Today, we're breaking down how to grow aloe vera successfully during the winter season, from preparation to protection to harvesting. Stay with me till the end so you don't miss any important winter care secrets. Aloe vera loves warm, dry climates, and its thick leaves store water, making it drought-resistant. But winter frost is its biggest enemy. With the right care though, this hardy plant can survive and even thrive through cold months. Choose a spot with 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Use sandy loam soil with excellent drainage. Aloe roots rot easily in waterlogged soil. Mix in compost or sand for better texture. Maintain soil pH between 6.0 and 8.0. Plant pups 18 to 24 inches apart for airflow and healthy growth. Keep the crown above the soil to prevent rotting. Add a light mulch layer to keep the soil warm during winter nights. If grown in pots, move them indoors or into a greenhouse during cold waves. Reduce watering. Aloe needs very little moisture in winter. Water only when the soil is fully dry, preferably in the morning. Maintain temperatures above 10 degrees Celsius. Use heaters or heat lamps in greenhouses when needed. Apply a diluted, balanced fertilizer once during the season. Too much fertilizer can actually damage the plant and reduce its medicinal quality. Leaves are ready 8 to 10 months after planting. During winter, harvest only during the warmest time of day. Cut the outer mature leaves using a clean, sharp knife. Keep the inner leaves intact for continuous growth. And that's your complete winter aloe vera farming guide. With the right techniques and a little extra care, your aloe crop can stay healthy and productive even in the coldest months. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming knowledge. See you in the next video.